How to change name on Robinhood account. Hi everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can change your username here in robinhood.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. First of all, you must be really sure that your account is already opened, that you have logged in into your account. And here in the top right corner, you have your account and I'm going into my profile. As you can see, this is kinda my name, but this is your username, added and etc. So I can just click on edit profile and change my username. This is gonna be just a test. My theme could be changed too, and you can add a picture if you want. So by now I'm going to save my changes. As you can see, my username is already changed. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can change your name on Robinhood.com. Thanks for watching.